Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame today for another daily update on the charts. We can see we've had an absolutely incredible parabolic move over the past few weeks. Ever since the election in the US, we've had a really incredible time of things heading to the upside here, as we can see. Things overall going really well for Vechain, and it is basically highly correlated to the price action of a lot of the other large caps as we start to play out this scenario that I've been talking about for some time in the markets, heading up for another leg to the upside. As Bitcoin had been going sideways for a few weeks, our large caps did start to get that capital rotation trickling down from Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, which were all heading up fairly significantly to the upside. You can see Vechain here has benefited from a really nice influx of buyers over the past few weeks, breaking out of that descending wedge pattern like a lot of cryptos had, and moving really bullishly to the upside, as we can quite clearly see here. Lovely impulse off the bear market range low, breaking out, forming our big descending wedge as we came down, with those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulses to the downside for Vechain that we saw for pretty much all of our altcoins. Probably looking more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside here. I did take a long position down here off of that swing low area of liquidity down here. Took a while to play out, but we did eventually come up and hit my take profit, which was up here at this Fibonacci level, although we just absolutely ripped through all the resistances and continued to the upside in a massively parabolic fashion. You could see quite clearly here we were in a bit of a range for a while, apart from this deviation here. Support and resistance continuously being tapped. This resistance trend line of the descending wedge getting tapped as well, and then as we could see, broke to the upside, tapped the 023, broke through the bear market range high, which was a significant area of resistance multiple times previously. As we can see, we came up to our 038 Fibonacci level, which also happened to be fairly close to the swing high resistance of the descending wedge. Usually when you break out from a descending wedge to the upside, you do come back to where you formed it, and you can see quite clearly here we did come up to this area, and then another insane impulse to the upside for Vechain, again smashing all the way through the 050 Fibonacci as if it wasn't even there. We didn't even get any resistance at this level really at all on the daily time frame. A little bit of a retrace yesterday, as people probably took some profits on this insane move, but you can see just how parabolic this has been for Vechain. Lots of people saying it was a dead coin down here at 2 cents, but we've had basically a 4x since then from that descending wedge to the upside. Pretty remarkably insane gains in my opinion. You can see here heading up towards my target of the 618 at the least for the third wave to the upside we've been looking for. As I said in my previous videos, I've been looking for the 5 waves to the upside for the bull market. We've already had 1, 2 waves completed, the breakout and the retest of the bear market range. The third wave, as I said, probably going to take us up from anywhere from around 9 or 10 cents to 15 or 20 cents in this area here, before getting a pullback for the 4th wave, and then the 5th wave will take us up to a new all-time high in my estimation, and we will continue to the upside in a very nice fashion to a new all-time high, probably up to 50 cents or $1, those fabled levels for Vechain in this next bull market. Obviously lots of people saying that this isn't possible, blah blah, but obviously right now things are playing out pretty much to perfection of what I've been looking for in the markets for Vechain. Looking exceptionally good on the charts here, as we no doubt will continue to the upside, although we must be aware that we are very parabolic at this point, and if you are intending to buy into the market after it has pumped such a significant amount, you could well end up buying the top here whilst it retraces, and you'll probably have to wait for a long time to see the break-even point. Generally speaking, people that buy the tops of these parabolic moves always get caught at the top of the move It does happen time and time again in cryptocurrency, as we know. The hourly time frame then looking really exceptionally good here. Really looking like it's respecting the Fibonacci levels really nicely on the way up here. You could see that 0.23 broken, retested, breaking up, consolidating around our 0.38 Fibonacci level, the break and the retest of the 0.50 here. As you can see, we broke through, retested, continued, and now looking like we're consolidating again, maybe going to come up and tap that 618 Fibonacci at around 8.7 cents pretty soon. Overall, I do think Vechain is looking exceptionally good now for this bull market. In my opinion, what I think is probably going to happen is we'll have a little bit of a retrace here to retest this area here at around 5 or 6 cents of that previous swing before having the third wave complete, with us heading up towards the 0.78 Fibonacci at around 15 cents here. A little bit of a retrace and then the final push of the third wave to the upside. Then we'll have a significant pullback back towards 5 cents or so before the final push back to the all-time high like this. This is probably what I'm looking for, and as I said in previous videos, I have got a long position, as you can see on the chart here, ready to basically buy the pullback down into this 5 cent-ish area. I'll have my stop loss below that swing once it's come down and consolidated just like the previous one, and I'll be looking to aim for just above the all-time highs for Vechain, probably around 50 cents. This would be a really excellent trade if I took this with significant leverage. 5x leverage on this would give me a very decent return. It's a 30x risk to reward ratio. Obviously with 5x leverage, that'd be 150, which would be absolutely insane in terms of risk to reward for the trade. With a decent amount of sizing on that, that would also give me a very nice return. Overall, Vechain looking really good on our daily time frame. The weekly, to be honest, looking even better. Look at these green candles that we're seeing. We didn't even see weekly green candles like this in the previous bull market, to be honest. You can see the process for Vechain last time was much more, I would say, choppy and laboured in terms of the move to the upside. This one here looking very parabolic indeed. You could see this was a much more natural move. This one here looking very parabolic, which is why I'm saying we could see a pullback at any point. Overall though, I am feeling really good about Vechain. It is looking exceptional on the charts right now for continuation. Just eyeballing this chart, you can quite clearly tell that we're basically looking at this nice bear market reset, break, retest, continuation, looking basically for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside going into the next market proper. Overall, Vechain here looking really good, and the monthly time frame looking even better, to be honest. Looking like it could easily head up towards the all-time high over the next few weeks and months as we continue into this bull market proper. As I've said before, Vechain looking exceptionally good right now. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.